Subaru key fobs typically use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Battery life is around 1 to 2 years. Tools needed: a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Begin by locating the small notch on the fob's side. Insert the pry tool and gently twist to separate the halves. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side plus is facing up. Snap the case back together. Test the fob to ensure it's working. That is how to change your Subaru key fob battery. This method applies to most Subaru models from the early 2000s to current models like the Forester, Outback, and Legacy. Here are important tips and considerations for replacing your Subaru key fob battery. Key component: plastic casing. Key component: circuit board. Key component: battery location. Key component: mechanical key. Always use a CR2032 battery for compatibility. Work on a soft surface to prevent damage if you drop the fob. Be gentle when opening the fob to avoid cracking the plastic. If the fob has a mechanical key, ensure it doesn't interfere while opening. If your fob loses programming, consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions. Battery replacement is a basic skill with minimal risk, and doing it yourself saves money. Dispose of old batteries responsibly to protect the environment. While smartphone-based keys are emerging, traditional fobs remain common for security reasons.